Good morning. This is room service calling from Paco Hotel. May I speak with Miss Retuya, please? Thank you, Ma'am Retuya. May I take your breakfast order? We have few suggestions for you today. American breakfast, egg toast, bacon and brewed coffee. Filipino breakfast, garlic rice, tapa or longanisa, fried and oat coffee. Continental breakfast, assorted bread, butter, jam and juice. Which one would you prefer? Great choice. May I confirm your details? Room number 601. Name, Miss Retuya. Order, 1 American breakfast coffee. Mode of payment will be charged to your room or will be paying cash or card upon delivery. Noted. Your breakfast will be delivered shortly if you selected continental breakfast. We ensure it arrives 10 minutes. Kindly expect a 3-knock food service upon arrival. We'll set it for you. If you allow, thank you and enjoy your morning.
Yun.
Room service. Room service. Miss Retuya. Enjoy your American